Tonight I'll be talking with Cherie Blair about her life and career, someone who's achieved an incredible amount in the law and in public life.
Cherie, you know, you're always debating and you've always got an argument about something. Have you ever thought of being a lawyer? And I wasn't quite sure what to expect with the law, but I absolutely loved it. I was introduced to very much the idea of how law is an instrument of social change. When you're married to the Prime Minister, you may have influence, but you should not have power, because if you want to have power, you should stand yourself for election. If an opportunity comes your way, seize it. Have confidence in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, how can you going to convince anyone else to believe in you? I don't guarantee it'll lead you to marrying the Prime Minister. Maybe it'll lead you to become the Prime Minister, which would actually be much better.
I felt that Cherie was very open and very honest. Her modesty was really impressive.
It's really interesting to hear someone who held on to her career and her identity and contributed significantly to the law.
What was most interesting was her role in promoting women in the barrister's profession.
For me, it was her end comment. Basically, you should have confidence in yourself and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve.